Look at this video. You can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the center stage as world leaders pose for a family photo at the 19th G20 Leaders Summit in Brazil. It was a power-packed event, and it was India, led by Prime Minister Modi, that shined like a star during the entire summit. Prime Minister Modi's Brazil visit was an important event in the changing geopolitical dynamics. During the summit, PM Modi interacted with several world leaders, showing India's high standing on the global stage. Outgoing US President Joe Biden, Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, and French President Emmanuel Macron were among the long list of world leaders whom Prime Minister Modi met during the summit. Prime Minister Modi also had discussions with the heads of state from Brazil, Singapore, and Spain, underlining India's commitment to boost international collaboration. Other important dignitaries include UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, IMF First Deputy Managing Director Geeta Gopinath, and European Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen. During the discussion with his Italian counterpart Giorgia Meloni, PM Modi stressed that India-Italy friendship can greatly contribute to a better planet and discussed ways to deepen ties in defense, security, trade, and technology. Both leaders announced a joint strategic action plan for 2025-29 in key sectors such as trade and investment, science and technology, new and emerging technologies, clean energy, space, defense, connectivity. Another important meeting was with French President Macron. Both India and France enjoy close-knit relations, with the personal rapport of PM Modi and Macron acting as a catalyst in the growing Indo-French relations. Macron also called PM Modi his friend, and both leaders discussed ways to continue working in sectors such as space, energy, and artificial intelligence. For India, France is a strategic partner, especially in the Indo-Pacific. Indian Armed Forces inventory has several French weapons, the most important being the Rafale fighter aircraft. Macron was also the chief guest at this year's Republic Day parade and also held a roadshow with Prime Minister Modi in Jaipur. PM Modi's other comprehensive meeting was with his UK counterpart Keir Starmer. Both India and the UK are working towards establishing a free trade agreement. During the meeting, both leaders acknowledged the need for a balanced and mutually beneficial FTA. PM Modi also expressed eagerness to work closely in areas such as technology, green energy, security, innovation, and technology. He said, for India, the comprehensive strategic partnership with the UK is of immense priority, and that we want to add strength to trade as well as cultural linkages.